Hello friends, welcome back to another letter with me where you can practice your hand lettering with me in real time. I will leave this video in real time and you can grab a pen. It doesn't have to be the same one as me, but I am using the Pentel Touch in this video. And we are going to practice some fall words. So I came up with a list of fall words that I thought would be fun to practice. I am all for the fall season. I am wearing my cozy sweater here and I just really love fall. So there were plenty of fun words that I thought we could letter together. Now, if this is your first time with a Letter With Me video, these are just videos that I create hand lettering practice in real time. So I will have the prompts up on the screen for you to see what word we're practicing or what quote if we're doing quotes in that video. And you can just practice right along with me. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to try to create the exact same lettering as I am. These videos are simply for us to practice and get that practice time in a really fun and easy way. These videos are not super long usually, but let me know if you would like to see a longer one. I'm happy to do something like that. Usually they're about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. And my hope is that if you are looking for something to practice, you can just put this video on the screen, grab your brush pen or your pencil or whatever writing utensil you're using, and just practice along with me, whether that is one day or whether you want to use this for your daily lettering practice. You can come back to this video every day of the week. I will also leave a link in the description box below for a playlist where I have multiple of these videos that you could just run through. So my hope is that these videos are really helpful for you. I create these because I think that practice is the way that we move forward with our lettering. I have a lot of tutorials on my channel. You can find specific tutorials, beginner tutorials, brush pen reviews, all of those kinds of things, which are great and important. But I think that a lot of it really just does come down to practice. And so I like to make these videos, even though they don't get a lot of watch time, I'll be honest, but because I know that those of you who are watching them and who are practicing with me, I really hope that they are helpful for you. So I took a little break from creating these because I took a vacation over the summer and I just got kind of behind with videos, but I am bringing them back. When I post these videos, I will post them on Monday mornings so that you have a Letter With Me video to practice with, whether you would just want to start out your week that way or you want to practice daily by watching the video every day throughout that week, and you want to just compare your beginning of the week to the end of the week. If you do that, feel free to tag me over on Instagram at howtohandletter. I would love to see your progress throughout the week. And this video is about 13 minutes long, so it's not a ton of practice every day or every other day, but I think that even a little bit of practice is so important. One thing that I would be curious about is if you have any words or any themes that you would like us to do for a Letter With Me video, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I know even for me that coming up with the list of words to practice hand lettering is super difficult. I don't know why. This one was not so hard because, like I mentioned earlier, there are so many things that I love about this time of year, but there have been other times where I probably spend more time trying to think of quotes than I do actually practicing my hand lettering. So I want your practice to be efficient and helpful, so if you just want to follow along with these words, then I hope you enjoy this video. There are still several minutes of hand lettering practice left in this video, but I will not chat through the entire thing. If you are looking for more real-time hand lettering practice videos, I will leave the playlist for those. You can also join my free 7-day hand lettering mini course at howtohandletter.com/mini course. I also did recently have my website redone, so it looks completely different. If you want to check it out, I will leave the link for the blog below. I would love to hear what you think about it. There are lots of new colors. It's a completely different look for How to Hand Letter, and I am so pleased with how it turned out. So I just thought I would mention that if you have not been to the blog or my website recently and you want to check it out, you can find it at howtohandletter.com. You can also find me over on Instagram, mostly in my stories talking about coffee and plants and gardening and all those things that I really enjoy. And if you are looking for me there, it's just at howtohandletter. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. I hope your lettering practice is going well, and I hope that you have a great rest of your week. I will see you in my next one.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter,